Deshpande. I'm a psychologist with One Special Place, and today I'll be sharing some tips on screen time management for children. So, keeping in mind the current situation, it can be quite challenging to limit screen time for children, especially when they have online schools and classes to attend. So, let us understand what we can do to maintain the right balance and to ensure that our children are not becoming too dependent on screens. My first tip for parents is to prioritize. We know that screens are also beneficial for children, especially during this time. So let's use screens for what is really important, which is academically, their schools, their online classes, their therapy classes, even just a social get together with their friends. These are the things for which you can use screens. So keep your priorities straight. Don't replace quality time with screen time. Make sure that you are spending one-on-one quality time with your child every day. Anytime you replace this time with screen time, you are only enabling your child to use more screens. Remember, there's nothing that can replace your personal interaction, one-on-one interaction with your child. There is no gadget that can replace you. Another thing to keep in mind is to limit your own screen time. Like I always say, children learn from their environment. So it's important that you model healthy behavior from them. So check your screen time. It's also important that you explain to your child about screen time limits. It's important that your child knows the reason behind this rule. The more they know, the better they will understand and the easier it will be for them to follow this rule. Encourage your child to do activities that won't require any screens. Encourage them to play games like board games, word games, playing cards, chess, doing some coloring, just letting them be in the park. These things are really important for their all-round development. It will also develop their emotional quotient, their social intelligence, how they interact with people, and these are the things that ultimately matter. Now your child is going to mold into the shape that you give them. And it's important to understand whatever you expose your children to, they will take up on that. So if you're exposing your children to an environment where there are less screens and more play time, more fun time, more interaction time, they will prefer to do the same. In case you need help when it comes to putting screen time limits for your child, or if your child's screen dependency has started causing turbulence in your life, feel free to get in touch with us at onespecialplace.com. We are happy to help you.